Hello, good morning. Well, it's here anyway. So, a bit delayed on the filming. I forgot the filming kit, as always. So this is our recent project. There's a tree that's fell down, knocked the wall down. So we've come to rebuild it, cleaned all the bricks off, rebuild it exactly the same, added a new pier in, but the wall was so bad. I mean, this is exactly what happened.
It went.
That's what happened when we took it down. So I'll quickly show you what's going on, and then we'll get filming of us rebuilding it. So these are the bricks, all cleaned off, all ready to go. Bit of corn up in that corner, because if I jump up, this wall ties into the back of here, but it's completely pissed. But the client's happy to leave it, and then we tie in from that point. There's OT. So we're tying from this point. So I built the coin there to make it plumb. Build this into here. Put a fur fix on that block work just to help tie it a little bit. Because there's no wall ties in here, so I'm going to have to add some into it just to help strengthen the wall a little bit. So if we come down here, so as you can see from this point over here, the wall is still leaning slightly, but it's solid on that pier. So what we've done is we've built a coin up plumb there, set the pier out into there. Got a new pier going in there, and we've got an existing pier going in there. So what we're going to do is build that plumb, which we've had to teed out slightly, but it's behind its buttress, so it's not too bad. And the pier is strengthening the wall at the top. But overall, it's not going too bad, really. 2 days so far. So I've put the coin up in that corner. I think you can see it in the bush. So that's what it's going to kind of look like. Build up to that existing point there, and then run that completely through, which we started to do. Overall, it's not that bad. Some bricks stayed, some bricks didn't. Access around here is terrible. It's an old, very late 1800s, 1800 house in Exeter. So it's a bit of a narrow street, narrow drive. So we've got a bit of a mixing station at the back, which isn't too First time I've seen bricklaying sat on a stool. What I do if I what? I think you know what I would do with that money? Move to Lanza. I've kicked over a tree root. As they say, work smarter, not harder. I'm not gonna brick. New delivery. Ooh, new delivery. 3310. Try this one out tomorrow. So we got quite a bit done today. More than I thought, considering we haven't got the labourer today. It's just me bricklaying. Got Goblin in tomorrow, so we should do quite a lot. So yeah, tune in tomorrow. I'll upload a video in a couple of days and I'll show you how we tied the piers in properly, the wall ties. So yeah, catch up then.